visionaries, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you back. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to start a paid and private Facebook membership group. So you've got an idea brewing for a private Facebook group and you're thinking about turning it into a paid membership community. Maybe you're a coach, a content creator, or someone with specialized knowledge that people would pay to access. Or perhaps you want to build a tight-knit community around a shared interest, offering premium content, exclusive tips, or one-on-one interactions. Whatever your goal, creating a paid Facebook group is a fantastic way to monetize your expertise and build a loyal following. In this guide, we'll walk you through everything you need to know to set up, manage, and promote a private and paid Facebook group. So the first thing you're going to do before you do anything, before you set anything up, is you're going to define the purpose and value of the group. Before diving into the nitty-gritty of setting up your group, let's take a step back and think about why you're creating it in the first place. What's your group about? Are you offering exclusive coaching sessions, a mastermind group, or a space for like-minded individuals to share ideas and experiences? Who's your target audience? Understanding who you want in the group is crucial. Are you targeting entrepreneurs, fitness enthusiasts, creative professionals, or another specific group? And what's in it for them? Think about the unique value your members will receive. Is it specialized knowledge, networking opportunities, access to you directly, or something else? Having clear answers to these questions will guide every other step in the process and help you articulate the benefits when promoting your group. Plan your content and membership structure. Once you've nailed down the purpose, it's time to figure out how you'll deliver your value to your members. This is where you decide on the content you'll offer and how you'll structure your membership. So there are different content types. What kind of content will you provide? Consider things like live Q&A sessions, exclusive video tutorials, downloadable resources, or regular posts with tips and insights. Then you're going to think about your posting frequency. Decide how often you're going to be posting or interacting in the group. Regular content is key to keeping your members engaged. And then you're going to think about your membership tiers. Will you offer different levels of membership? For example, you might have a basic tier with access to weekly posts, or a premium tier that includes one-on-one coaching or exclusive live sessions. Next, we're going to talk about setting up your Facebook group. Now that you've got a plan, it's time to set up your Facebook group, and here's how to do it. Number one is to create the group, set the privacy settings, add a description and rules, and customize your group. So once you're logged into your Facebook, you can go over to the groups on the left-hand side of the screen. So click groups, and then you're going to click create group, create new group. Give your group a name. For the purposes of this video, I'm just going to type baddies in fitness. So I'm going to be creating a fitness group. So then you're going to choose the privacy. You're going to choose private because if you choose public, that means anyone who's in the group anyone can get into the group. So if they just answer the questions, they can join. So if you make it private, that means only members can get access to this group and it won't be shown in like the search results of Facebook. So click private and then you can make your group visible or hidden. Hidden means only members can find the group. Invisible means anyone can find the group. So we're going to do hidden. And then you're going to create your group. So this is what your group is, this is what your group dashboard is going to look like. And you can see everything on the left-hand side from the member requests, the badge requests, the membership questions, and this is where you would set everything up. So if you want to set up the membership questions, you can add a question here and let's put in what is your favorite exercise? You can do a written answer or you can do a multiple choice and then click save. And then they will appear when someone tries to get added to the group. So along here, you can see everything that you can do. It's a lot to go through, but you would click here if you have any requests and then you can see what answers they chose and then approve them or deny them. And if this is going to be a paid group, which obviously for the purposes of this video, it will be a paid group. So you can kind of see who is, who knows about the group. You can check to make sure that the people that are requesting membership to this group have already paid their membership fees. So once you've officially set up your group, it's time to set up the payment options. To make your group paid, you'll need to set up a system for collecting payments. Unfortunately, Facebook doesn't offer a built-in feature for paid groups, so you'll need to use a third-party service. So option one is to use membership platforms. You can use platforms like Patreon, Memberful, or Ko-fi that allow you to create subscription tiers, and members can sign up there and then get access to your Facebook group. Option 2 is to use PayPal or Stripe. You can set up recurring payments through PayPal or Stripe and manually add paying members to your Facebook group. And this option requires a bit more management on your part, but it's a simple and effective way to collect payments. Or option 3 is to use course platforms. So if your group is part of a larger course or membership site, you can integrate it in with platforms like Teachable or Kajabi. And these platforms often have built-in community features, but you can also link them directly to your Facebook group. So once your payment system is set up, you'll need to manage your memberships effectively. So you can automate where it's possible. If you're using a platform like Patreon or Memberful, memberships can often be managed automatically. When someone cancels their subscription, they'll lose access to the group without you needing to do anything. You can also manually manage it. If you're handling payments manually through PayPal or Stripe, you'll need to keep a close eye on your member list. Make sure to remove anyone whose payment fails or who cancels their subscription. And then you're going to make sure that you're engaging regularly. Keep your members engaged by regularly interacting with them, respond to posts, host live Q&A sessions, and make sure your content is consistent and valuable. Now that your group is set up and ready to go, it's time to spread the word. Promoting your group effectively is the key to building a strong membership base. So you're going to leverage your existing audience. If you already have a following on social media, like Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, start by promoting your group there. Use Instagram, use Twitter, LinkedIn, wherever your audience hangs out. Create a landing page. A simple landing page that explains the benefits of joining your group can be a powerful tool. Include testimonials, a list of what members get, and a clear call to action. Also use email marketing. If you have an email list, send out a series of emails announcing the group and highlighting the benefits of joining. Offer a limited time discount to create urgency. Then you're going to collaborate with influencers. Partner with influencers in your niche who can help promote your group to their audience. This can give you access to a broader audience that's likely to be interested in what you're offering. And then there's also running Facebook ads. If you have the budget, consider running Facebook ads targeted at your ideal audience and use compelling visuals and clear messaging to attract potential members. Now, once your group is up and running, the work isn't over. Keeping your members engaged and ensuring they continue to see the value in staying subscribed is crucial for the long-term success of your group. Regular content updates are a must. Keep a content calendar and stick to it. Whether it's weekly live sessions, daily posts, or monthly webinars, consistency is key. Member involvement. Encourage members to participate by asking questions, starting discussions, or hosting challenges. The more they feel involved, the more likely they are to stay. Offer exclusive perks. Surprise your members with bonuses like free resources, early access to new content, or exclusive discounts on products or services. And then feedback loops. Regularly ask your members for feedback. What do they like? What do they want more of? And use this information to continually improve the group experience. Now, inevitably, some members will cancel their subscriptions. So while this is normal, it's important to have a strategy in place to minimize cancellations and keep your retention rates high. Do exit surveys. When someone cancels, send them a short survey to find out why. This can provide valuable insights into areas where you can improve. Offer pauses instead of cancellations. Sometimes members just need a break. Offer the option to pause their membership instead of canceling outright. This way, they're more likely to return when they're ready. And then win-back campaigns. For members who do cancel, consider running a win-back campaign after a few months, offering them a special deal to rejoin. Now, as your group grows, you might find yourself needing to scale your operations. So here's how to manage a growing community. Hire moderators. If your group becomes too large to manage on your own, consider hiring moderators. They can help with the approving posts, they can help manage member requests, and they can enforce the group rules. Automating your processes. Use tools and software to automate as much as possible, whether it's scheduling posts, managing payments, or onboarding new members. Automation can save you a lot of time. And then expand your content offerings. As your group grows, think about expanding your content offerings. This can include adding new membership tiers, offering in-person events, or creating more in-depth content. Finally, it's important to be aware of the legal and ethical considerations when running a paid Facebook group. So there's privacy and data protection. Ensure that you're compliant with the data protection laws like GDPR. Be transparent about how you use members' data and ensure it's securely stored. Honest marketing. Be honest in your marketing about what members can expect. Don't promise things you can't deliver. Make sure that you have clear terms and conditions. Make sure that your group has clear, crystal clear terms and conditions that members agree to when they join. This should cover things like behavior expectations, payment terms, and refund policies. And then refund policies. Have a clear refund policy in place and make sure it's communicated to all members before they join. This will help avoid any misunderstandings down the line. One of the best ways to keep your group engaged and thriving is to celebrate milestones and show appreciation to your members. So celebrate membership milestones, whether it's reaching a certain number of members, your group's anniversary, or the launch of a new feature. Take time to celebrate these milestones with your community. This could be through special content, a giveaway, or a live event. Show member appreciation. Regularly acknowledge and thank your members for their contributions. Highlight active members, showcase success stories, or simply send a thank you message to show that you value their participation. Host exclusive events. Consider hosting exclusive events for your members, such as virtual meetups, guest speaker sessions, or members only webinars. These events can create a sense of community and offer additional value. Evaluating and iterating your group strategy. Your Facebook group isn't something you set up once and forget. It's an evolving entity that should grow and change based on the needs of your members and the goals of your business. So regularly review your group. Take the time to review the performance of your group regularly. Look at the metrics like member engagement, content interaction, and subscription renewals. This will help you understand what's working and what needs adjustment. Iterate based on feedback. Use the feedback you gather from your members to make improvements, whether it's tweaking your content strategy, adding new features, or changing the group structure. Continuous iteration will help you keep your group relevant and valuable. Stay informed on Facebook updates. Facebook is constantly evolving and new features are introduced regularly, so stay informed about these updates and consider how they might benefit your group. For example, new tools for managing communities or monetizing content could be valuable additions to your strategy. Long-term growth and sustainability. As your group matures, focus on long-term growth and sustainability. The goal is to create a community that continues to provide value and generates income over the long term. So build a community culture. Cultivate a positive and supportive culture within your group. Encourage collaboration, sharing, and mutual support among members. A strong community culture will make your group more appealing and help retain members. Diversify your income streams. Consider diversifying your income streams beyond membership fees. You could offer premium content, you could sell digital products, or even explore sponsorship opportunities within the group. And then make sure you're planning for the future. Finally, have a long-term vision for your group. Think about where you want the community to be in a year, 5 years, or even a decade. Planning for the future will help you make decisions that support sustainable growth. Creating a private and paid Facebook group is a powerful way to monetize your expertise, build a dedicated community, and create ongoing revenue streams. By following this comprehensive guide, you'll be well on your way to launching a successful group that not only provides immense value to your members, but also helps you achieve your business goals. Remember, the key to success lies in clearly defining your group's purpose, providing consistent value, engaging with your members, and continuously iterating based on feedback and performance. With dedication and the right strategies, your private Facebook group can become a thriving community and a significant part of your business. Thank you so much for watching. If you found value in this video, please like, comment, and share, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. I will see you in the next video.